How to use Target gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can use Target gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically use your Target gift card online, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all you can open up your browser, go to target.com and log into the account. Now first of all, add the products that you want to buy to your cart, and when you add them to your cart, tap the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the cart icon from the top right hand side, you should be able to see these options. Now you just have to continue to the checkout process. So when you go to the checkout process, it will ask you to actually see and confirm all of your card details. We're under shipping address also. Now if you look here, you can see it says gift cards, pay with a Target gift card. So all you have to do is tap the add button here. Make sure to enter your gift card number, access number, tap on add gift card if it is a Target gift card only. But if it is another gift card like American Express gift card or something like that, in that case you have to add as a normal payment method. So in that case you have to select credit or debit card and enter the card number. But if it is a Target gift card exclusively, then you can add in this case. But if it is other companies gift card, let's say Amazon gift card or Amex gift card, Visa gift card, something like that, you have to enter them in the credit debit card section. So that's the thing you want to be careful about, and then tap on save and continue, and after that your changes will get taken place. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically use a Target gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.